Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Accounts Tips. This is my 10th video related with the measures of central tendency. In this video, I am going to discuss how to calculate that median by discrete series. So, the first step to arrange data into ascending or descending order. In the case of discrete series and individual series, both series, first and foremost thing is to arrange data into ascending or descending order. Then second step is convert the simple frequencies of a series into cumulative frequencies. Convert the simple frequencies of a series. In the speciality of this discrete series is that corresponding the variables and items corresponding frequencies also are given. So this simple frequencies, that frequency is converted into cumulative frequencies. Through example, I will show you how to convert these frequencies into cumulative frequencies. And third step is determine the n plus 1 by 2 the item of the series. Next step, determine the n plus 1 by 2 the item of the series. Here n is equal to sigma f. That means here in the case of discrete series, n is equal to summation of f. Frequencies total, all frequencies you add up, then that value you consider as n. But in the case of an individual series, n is equal to number of items. But in the case of discrete series, n is equal to frequencies total. Don't forget, n is equal to frequencies total. Then next step is find the median value corresponding to the n plus 1 by 2 the item. Last step, find the median value corresponding to the n plus 1 by 2 the item. So median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2 the item. Which item representing this size of n plus 1 by 2? Then here n is equal to that frequencies total. Suppose frequencies total is 35. Then 35 plus 1 by 2, that is 36 divided by 2. 36 divided by 2 the item representing the median. Okay, so these are the steps we have to consider at the time of calculating median in discrete series. So students, let's discuss this problem. Find the median of the following series. First size, second column, frequency. In this first size, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is the items or variables and the corresponding frequency is this one. So our first step is arranging data into ascending or descending order. But in this case, this size that is already in an arranged form. So first column you write size, second column frequency. So size 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then second frequencies. Frequency 2, 3, 8, 10, 12, 16, 10, 8 and 6. The variables or items and their corresponding frequency also we written. Then next step is convert this normal frequency into cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, CF. The third step is find out the cumulative frequency. Then how we can find out the cumulative frequency? First frequency you write the same 2. Then add the second frequency with this first one. Then 2 plus 3, that is 5. Then this 5 you add with this third frequency 8. 8 plus 5, that is 13. First frequency same 2 you write. Second one, this 2 plus the second frequency 3, that is 5. Then third frequency, the second frequency is total plus here that third frequency, that is 8. 13. Then next one, this 13 plus this 10. that is 23. Next one, this 23 plus this 12. 23 plus 12, that is 35. Then next, this 35 plus 16. 35 plus 16, that is 51. 51. Then next one is 51 plus 10, that is 61. Next one, the 61 plus 8. The 61 plus this 8. So 69. Then next one is 69 plus this 6. That is 75. 75. So in this way, first you convert this normal frequency into cumulative frequency. And next step is find out the median item. Then median item, how we can calculate? This frequency is total and this cumulative frequencies last value both must be same. So n frequency is total and this cumulative frequencies, the last value both are same. Then how we can find out the median equation? Median is equal to m is equal to size of n plus 1 by tooth item. N plus 1 by tooth item. Then here m is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2. N, I already told you, n is equal to frequencies total, sigma f, or frequencies total is equal to n. In the case of discrete series, n is equal to frequencies total. In the case of individual series, n is equal to number of items. So frequencies total is 75. Then size of that n plus 1 by 2 the item means 75 plus 1 by 2 item is equal to 75 plus 1, that is 76 divided by 2. 76 divided by 2 the item means size of 38th item. The size of 38th item. This 38th item from where we get? Then in this case of discrete series, after calculating this how we can find out the 30th item? 38th item means you check the cumulative frequency that include the value, this median, that size, which cumulative frequency included. Till 35 representing this. Till 35 representing this sixth size. Median, that is value is 6. Then we need 38th item. 38th means till 35 here. Then 35, 36 to 51 representing this cumulative frequencies. So we need 38. So after this 38th value definitely representing this size. So our median value is equal to 7. From where we are considering the value? From the variable or items, not from frequency. Then we find out the item, the size of this particular item we find out from the cumulative frequency. Then the median you find out from the, you will get from the size or from the variable. So median is equal to 7. So m is equal to 7. Answer is 7. Suppose size of, you imagine this m is equal to size of another value given, that is 58th item. So how you can find out the cumulative frequency, how you can find out the 58th item from this cumulative frequency? Till 51 here, till 61 here, in between that value will comes. So in between that value we can't take or we can't find out. So after 51, definitely this 58th item representing this value. So this 8th you consider as the median. So I hope you understood this video. Then I will come with more videos related with this measures of central tendency, median calculations. Until then, bye.